Hello friends, welcome to experiencetutor.com. In this web channel, today we are going to start with the first topic of physics, Introduction to Physics. Let us start with the welcome message. Dear students, welcome to our channel experiencetutor.com. In this channel, we will teach physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology for the students of class 10th, 11th and 12th and those who are preparing for school board examinations and entrance examinations like IIT, NEET and all state level engineering and medical examinations. This course is organized according to the different topic for each subject. Therefore, it contains separate video for each individual topics. Hence, it covers complete syllabus for CPSC, ICSC, ISC and all state level board examinations and engineering and medical examinations. You can also find the relevant topics for foreign school examinations like SAT, IGCSE, IB, etc. Enjoy your course. Thank you. The nature around us is colorful and diverse. It contains phenomena of large varieties. The winds, the sands, the water, the planet, the rainbow, the energy coming from the sun, and the nucleus. There are large number of objects and events taking place around us. Physics is the study of nature and its laws. We expect that all these different events in nature takes place according to some basic laws and revealing these laws of nature from the observed event is physics. For example, the orbiting of moon around the earth, falling of an apple from the tree and tides in the sea on a full moon night can also be explained if we know Newton's law of gravitation, Newton's law of motion, etc. Physics is concerned with the basic laws which are applicable to all domains in life. Understanding of physics therefore leads to application in many fields including biology and medical science. The great physicist Dr. R. P. Feynman has given a wonderful description for physics, that is, understanding the nature. Let us take an example. Suppose we do not know the rules of chess but are allowed to watch the moves of the players. If we watch the game for a long time, we may make out some of the rules. With the knowledge of these rules, we may try to understand why a player played a particular move. However, this is a very difficult task. Even if we know all the rules of the chess, it is not so easy. Understand all the complication of the game in a given situation and predict the correct move. Knowing the basic rule is, however, the minimum requirement. If any progress is to be made, one may guess at a wrong rule by partially watching the game. The experienced player may make use of a rule for the first time and observer of the game may get surprised because the new move, some of the rules guessed previously may prove to be wrong and observer will frame new rules. Physics goes in the same way. The nature around us is like a big chess game played by the nature. The events in the nature are like the moves of the great game. We are allowed to watch the events of the nature and guess at the basic rules according to which the events takes place. We may come across new events which do not follow the rules guessed earlier, and we may have to declare the old rules incapable or wrong and discover new rules. Since physics is the study of nature, it is real. No one has given the authority to frame the rules of physics. We only discover the rules that are operating in the nature. Aryabhatta, Newton, Einstein, or Feynman are great physicists because from the observations available at that time they could guess the and frame the laws of physics, which explain this observation in a convincing way. But there can be new phenomena any day, and if the rules discovered by the great scientist are not able to explain this phenomena, no one will hesitate to change these rules. Now, we can answer this question: what is physics? The English word physics came from Greek word physis, which means nature. In Sanskrit, we also have a similar word known as bhautik, which also means the same. Physics is the study of nature and its laws. We observe natural physical phenomena, for example, regular repetition of day and night, annual cycle of seasons, the tides, the eclipse, etc., and find out the definite mechanism from the series of systematic observations. The quantities involved in such events are to be defined unambiguously and meaningfully. We derive laws and principles from such studies. We test those derived laws in a wider perspective. To summarize, we can say that the nature is made up of two fundamental constituents. They are matter and radiation. In physics, we study about the origin of fundamental particles of matter and radiation, the interaction between them, and the law of nature related to them, etc. Next question comes to our mind is, why should we study physics? Physics is the branch of science that describes matter, energy, space, and time at most fundamental level. Whether you are planning to study biology, architecture, medicine, music, chemistry, or art, some principles of physics are relevant to your field. Physicists look for the patterns and physical phenomena that occurs in the universe. Then they try to explain what is happening, and they perform experiments to see if the proposed explanation is valid. The goal is to find the most basic laws that govern the universe and to formulate those laws in a most precise way possible. The study of physics is valuable for several reasons. All natural sciences are built on the foundation of laws of physics. In today's technological world, many important devices can be understood correctly only with the knowledge of underlying physics. By studying physics, you acquire the skills that are useful in other disciplines. Finally, by studying physics, we hope that you develop a sense of beauty of fundamental laws governing the universe. In today's technological world, many important devices can be understood correctly by the knowledge of physics. Just in medical world, thinking of laser surgery, magnetic resonance imaging (MRI), sonograph, pacemakers, microsurgery guided by optical fibers are few of them. Now we came to the end of this topic. If this video was useful to you, please give us a like, comment, and subscribe this video. Click on the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever we release a new video in the series, and it will come to your subscription list. Thank you for now. See you again. Happy learning.